हेलो एवरीवन, जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया भी था कि आज हम आपके लिए लाइव क्लास लेकर आएंगे एमसीक्यूज़ का महा मैराथन पॉलिटिकल साइंस का। लेकिन कुछ समय की मजबूरियों की वजह से, टाइम शॉर्टेज की वजह से हम लाइव मैराथन नहीं लेकर आ पाए हैं, जिसके साथ ही मैं आपके लिए उसकी जगह पर लेकर आया हूँ पॉलिटिकल साइंस का वीडियो, जिसमें हम पढ़ेंगे मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ को पॉलिटिकल साइंस के। उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा। इस वीडियो में उन दो चैप्टर्स को लिया गया है जो टर्म 1 के अकॉर्डिंग आ रहे हैं बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम्स में, जैसे कि पावर शेयरिंग और फेडरलिज्म। आशा करता हूँ वीडियो आपको पसंद आएगा और वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना और हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं कि आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा। साथ ही चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, बेल्जियम शेयर्स बॉर्डर विद फ्रांस, द नीदरलैंड्स, जर्मनी एंड डैश। ऑप्शन ए नागालैंड, ऑप्शन ए इंग्लैंड, ऑप्शन बी नॉर्वे, ऑप्शन सी लग्जमबर्ग, ऑप्शन डी इटली। करेक्ट आंसर है लग्जमबर्ग। पढ़ते हैं अगले प्रश्न की तरफ। इन द कैपिटल सिटी ब्रुसेल्स 80% ऑफ द पीपल स्पीक डैश। ऑप्शन ए फ्रेंच, ऑप्शन बी डच, ऑप्शन सी जर्मन और ऑप्शन डी इंग्लिश। सही आंसर है फ्रेंच। बढ़ते हैं अगले प्रश्न की तरफ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, 20% ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ ब्रुसेल्स स्पीक डैश। ऑप्शन ए डच, ऑप्शन बी इंग्लिश, ऑप्शन सी जर्मन और ऑप्शन डी इटालियन। इसका सही आंसर है डच। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ब्रुसेल्स प्रेजेंटेड अ स्पेशल प्रॉब्लम, व्हाट वाज इट? ऑप्शन ए Dutch speaking people constituted a minority in the country but a majority in the capital. Option B, Dutch speaking people constituted a majority in the country but a minority in the capital. Option C, other foreign languages were speaking in. Option D, English was becoming dominant. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, Dutch speaking people constituted a majority in the country but a minority in the capital. Next question, what percentage of Sri Lankan population is Tamil speaking? Option A 50%, option B 20%, option C 18% और option D 16%. Correct answer is 18%. बढ़ते हैं अगले प्रश्न की तरफ। The people whose forefathers came from India to Sri Lanka as plantation workers during the colonial period are called. Option A Sri Lankan Tamils, option B Indian Tamils, option C Tamil Indians, option D Indian Sri Lankans. इसका सही आंसर है इंडियन तमिल्स। बढ़ते हैं अगले प्रश्न की तरफ। Most of the Sinhalese speaking people in Sri Lanka are dash. ऑप्शन ए हिंदूज, ऑप्शन बी क्रिश्चियंस, ऑप्शन सी मुस्लिम्स, ऑप्शन डी बुद्धिस्ट। करेक्ट आंसर इज बुद्धिस्ट। अगला प्रश्न, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, व्हेन डिड श्रीलंका इमर्ज एज एन इंडिपेंडेंट कंट्री? ऑप्शन ए 1949, ऑप्शन बी 1950, ऑप्शन सी 1948, ऑप्शन डी 1951। करेक्ट आंसर इज 1948। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, in dash an act was passed to recognize Sinhalese as the only official language, thus disregarding Tamil. The governments followed preferential policies that favored Sinhalese applicants for university positions and government jobs. Option A 1956, option B 1957, option C 1958, option D 1959. Correct answer is 1956. बढ़ते हैं अगले प्रश्न की तरफ। All these governments measures coming one after the other gradually increased the dash among the Sri Lankan Tamils. Option A protests, option B favoritism, option C feeling of alienation, option D subordination. Correct answer is feeling of alienation. Next question, by the 1980s several political organizations were formed demanding dash. ऑप्शन ए सर्टेन राइट्स, ऑप्शन बी इंडिपेंडेंट तमिल एलिम स्टेट, ऑप्शन सी सॉवरेजन स्टेट, ऑप्शन डी priority in jobs for Tamils? Correct answer is independent Tamil LM state. Next question. When did the civil war of Sri Lanka end? Option A 2010, option B 2009, option C 2005, and option D 2011. Correct answer is 2009. Next question. How many times was the Constitution of Belgium amended between 1970 and 1993? Option A 3 times, option B 2 times, option C 4 times, option D once. Correct answer is 4 times. Next question. The Constitution of Belgium prescribes that the number of Dutch and French speaking ministers dash in the central government. Option A shall be equal. Option B Dutch speaking shall be more. Option C French speaking will be more. Option D none of the above. The correct answer is shall be equal. Next question. The community government is elected by people belonging to one language community, Dutch, French, and German speaking. What powers does it hold? Option A cultural, educational, and language related issues. Option B political issues. Option C defense related issues. Option D all of the above. Correct answer is cultural, educational, and language related issues. Next question. Give reason as to why power sharing can be good for a country. Option A. It helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. Option B. It is a good way to ensure the stability of political order. Option C. It does not lead to confusion in managing the state. Option D. A and B. The correct answer is A and B. Next question. Give one moral reason as to why power sharing is good. Option A. It helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. Option B. It does not lead to confusion in managing the state. Option C. People have the right to be consulted on how they are to be governed. Option D. Power sharing is a good way to ensure the stability of political order. Correct answer is people have a right to be consulted on how they are to be governed. Next question. The idea of power sharing has emerged in opposition to option A democracy, option B dictatorship, option C monarchy, option D undivided political power under one sect. The correct answer is undivided political power under one sect. Next question. Give an example of horizontal distribution of power. Option A. Governments at the provincial or regional level. Option B. Legislature, executive and judiciary. Option C. Among different social groups. Option D. Political parties, pressure groups and movements. Correct answer is legislature, executive and judiciary. Next question. Which is a federal division of power? Option A. Governments at the provincial or regional level. Option B. Legislature, executive and judiciary. Option C. Among different social groups. Option D. Political parties, pressure groups and movement. The correct answer is governments at the provincial or regional level. Next question. Where power is shared among different organs of the government such as the legislature, executive and judiciary, what is the functioning of this system called? Option A. Horizontal system. Option B. System of check and balance. Option D. System of shared duties. Option D. System of limited powers. The correct answer is system of check and balance. Next question. Consider the following statements about power sharing arrangements in Belgium and Sri Lanka. First, in Belgium, the Dutch-speaking majority people tried to impose their domination on the minority French-speaking community. Number 2, in Sri Lanka, the policies of the government sought to ensure the dominance of the Sinhala-speaking majority. Number 3, the Tamils in Sri Lanka demanded a federal arrangement of power sharing to protect their culture, language, and equality of opportunity in education and jobs. Number 4, the transformation of Belgium from unitary government to a federal one prevented a possible division of the country on linguistic lines. Which of these statement is correct? Option A, all of the above. Option B, 1, 2, and 4. Option C, 3 and 4. Option D, 2, 3rd, and 4. The correct answer is 1, 2, and 4. Next question. In Sri Lanka, there are about dash percent Christians who are both Tamil and Sinhala. Option A, 10. Option B, 15. Option C, 7. Option D, 12. The correct answer is 7. Next question. In Sri Lanka, the democratically elected government adopted a series of dash measures to establish Sinhala supremacy. Option A, extreme. Option B, democratic. Option C, political. Option D, majoritarian. The correct answer is majoritarian. Next question. In Sri Lanka, a new constitution stipulated that the state shall protect and foster dash Tamil Indians. Option A, Hindu. Option B, Buddhist. Option C, Christian. Option D, Islam. The correct answer is Christian. Next question. In Belgium, option A, the state governments are not subordinate to the central government. Option B, the state governments are subordinate to the central government. Option C, the state governments have no say before the central government. Option D, the state government can contradict the central government. The correct answer is the state governments are not subordinate to the central government. Next question. When many countries of Europe came together to form the European Union, dash was chosen as the headquarter. Option A, Paris. Option B, Brussels. Option C, Rome. Option D, London. The correct answer is Brussels. Next question. Name one prudential reason for power sharing. Option A, power sharing is the very spirit of democracy. Option B, people have a right to be consulted on how they are to be governed. Option C, citizens through participation acquire a stake in the system. Option D, power sharing is a good because it helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. The correct answer is power sharing is good because it helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. Next question. Different arguments are usually put forth in favor of and against power sharing. Identify those which are in favor of power sharing and select the answer using the quotes given below. Power sharing. Number 1, reduce conflict among different communities. Number 2, decreases the possibility of arbitrariness. Option 3, delays decision making process. Option 4, accommodates diversities. Option 5, increases instability and divisiveness. Option 6, promotes people's participation in government. Option 7, undermines the unity of a country. Option A, 1, 2, 4, 6. Option B, 1, 3, 5, 6. Option C, 1, 2, 4, 7. Option D, 2, 3, 4, 7. The correct answer is 1, 2, 4, 7. Next question. Consider the following two statements on power sharing and select the answer using the quotes given below. Number 1, power sharing is good for democracy. Number 2, it helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. Which of these statements are true and false? Option A, first is true but second is false. Option B, both first and second are true. Option C, both first and second are false. Option D, first is false and second is true. The correct answer is both first and second are true. Next question. Which of the following is an example of horizontal sharing of power? Option A, power sharing between different states. Option B, power sharing between different organs of the government. Option C, power sharing between different levels of the government. Option D, power sharing between different political parties. सही आंसर है पावर शेयरिंग बिटवीन डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु इलेक्ट्स द कम्युनिटी गवर्नमेंट इन बेल्जियम? ऑप्शन ए, people belonging to one language community only. Option B, by the leader of Belgium. Option C, the citizens of the whole country. Option D, the community leaders of Belgium. सही आंसर है पीपल बिलोंगिंग टू वन लैंग्वेज कम्युनिटी ओनली। अगला प्रश्न, द कम्युनिटी गवर्नमेंट सिग्निफाइज ऑप्शन ए द पावर्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट रिगार्डिंग कम्युनिटी डेवलपमेंट, ऑप्शन बी द पावर्स ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट रिगार्डिंग लॉ मेकिंग फॉर द कम्युनिटी, ऑप्शन सी द पावर्स ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट रिगार्डिंग कल्चरल एजुकेशनल एंड लैंग्वेज रिलेटेड इशूज, ऑप्शन डी द गवर्नमेंट enjoys privileges to safeguard the interest of the particular community। इसका सही आंसर है द पावर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट रिगार्डिंग कल्चरल एजुकेशनल एंड लैंग्वेज रिलेटेड इशूज। अगला प्रश्न, द वर्ड एथनिक सिग्निफाइज ऑप्शन ए डिफरेंट रिलीजन्स, ऑप्शन बी सोशल डिवीजन ऑन शेयर्ड कल्चर, ऑप्शन सी वायलेंट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन अपोजिट ग्रुप्स, ऑप्शन डी अ केयरफुल कैलकुलेशन ऑफ गेन्स एंड लॉसेस। इसका सही उत्तर है सोशल डिवीजन ऑन शेयर्ड कल्चर। बढ़ते हैं अगले प्रश्न की तरफ। पावर शेयरिंग इज ऑप्शन ए द वेरी स्पिरिट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, ऑप्शन बी सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर एट डिफरेंट लेवल्स, ऑप्शन सी सिस्टम ऑफ चेक एंड बैलेंस, ऑप्शन डी अ टाइप ऑफ बैलेंसिंग पावर। इसका सही उत्तर है द वेरी स्पिरिट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी। अगला प्रश्न, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। Power sharing is desirable because it helps, option A, to increase pressure on the government, option B, to reduce possibilities of conflict, number C, to generate awareness among people, option D, to increase the percentage of voters। इसका सही उत्तर है to reduce possibilities of conflict। अगले प्रश्न, system of check and balance means, option A, horizontal distribution of power, option B, separation of power, option C, put a check on the exercise of unlimited powers of the organs of government by maintaining a balance of power among various institutions, option D, federal division of powers। इसका सही उत्तर है put a check on the exercise of unlimited powers of the organs of government by maintaining a balance of power sharing power among various institutions। अगला प्रश्न, which of the following features are common to Indian and Belgium form of power sharing arrangements? Option A, power is shared among governments at different level, option B, power is shared among different organs of government, option C, power is shared among different social groups, option D, power is shared among different parties and takes the form of competition। Option A, B, C, D, option B, B, C, D, option C, A and C, option D, A, C, D। सही आंसर है B, C, D। बढ़ते हैं अगले प्रश्न की तरफ। In dealing with power sharing, which one of the following statement is not correct about democracy? Option A, people are the source of all political power, option B, in a democracy people rule themselves through institutions of self-governance, option C, in a democracy due respect is given to diverse groups and views that exist in a society, option D, in a democracy if the power to decide is dispersed it is not possible to take quick decisions and enforce them। इसका सही उत्तर है in a democracy if the power is decide is dispersed it is not possible to take quick decision and enforce them। अगला प्रश्न, a brief that the majority community should be able to rule a country in whichever way it wants by disregarding the wishes and needs of the minority is, option A, power sharing, option B, central government, option C, majoritarianism, option D, community government। सही उत्तर है majoritarianism। बढ़ते हैं अगले प्रश्न की तरफ। A system of check and balance is another name for which one of the following power sharing arrangement, option A, power sharing among different social groups, option B, vertical division of power or power shared among different levels of the government, option C, horizontal division of power or power shared among different organs of the government, option D, power sharing is the form of political parties, pressure groups and government। इसका सही उत्तर है हॉरिजॉन्टल डिवीजन ऑफ पावर और पावर शेयर्ड अमंग डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट। बढ़ते हैं अगले प्रश्न की तरफ। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स अबाउट पावर शेयरिंग अरेंजमेंट इज करेक्ट? ऑप्शन ए, पावर शेयरिंग इज नेसेसरी ओनली इन सोसाइटीज which have religious, linguistic, or ethnic divisions. Option B, power sharing is suitable only for big countries that have regional division. Option C, every society needs some form of power sharing, even if it is small or does not have social divisions. Option D, power sharing is not necessary at all. सही उत्तर है इसका करेक्ट आंसर। Every society needs some form of power sharing, even if it is small or does not have social divisions. Next question. Consider the following statement about the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka. Option A. Major social groups are the Sinhala speaking 74% and Tamil speaking 18%. Option B. Among the Tamils, there are two subgroups, Sri Lankan Tamils and Indian Tamils. Option C. There are about 7% Christians who are both Tamil and Sinhala. Option D. Most of the Sinhala speaking are Hindus or Muslims and most of the Tamil speaking are Buddhist. Which of the above statement are correct? Option A, ABC. Option B, ABD. Option C, BCD. Option D, ABCD. Correct answer is ABC. Next question. Prudential reason of power sharing stress on the facts that option A, it ensures the stability of political order. Option B, it reduces the possibility of conflict between social groups. Option C, it gives a fair share to minorities. Option D, it is the very spirit of democracy. Which of the above statement are correct? Option A, B. Option B, A, C and D. Option C, all the correct. Option D, A, B, C. Correct answer is A, B, C. Next question. Sinhala was recognized as the only official language by the Act of 1956. Next question. A government for the entire country is usually called dash federal government. Next question. A belief that the majority community should be able to rule the country in whichever way they want by disregarding the wishes and needs of the minority is known as majoritarianism. Next question. Dash is referred to as social division based on culture and language. Answer, ethnic groups. Next question. Community government is a very specific type of government in dash. Answer, Belgium. Next question. Dash was amended 4 times between 1970 and 1993. Answer, Belgium Constitution. Next question. Power sharing is the distribution of powers at only one level of government. False. Power sharing arrangement among the different organs of the government is known as horizontal sharing. True. Next question. Belgium successfully solved its problem by the community government. Answer, true. Next question. 2 languages spoken in Sri Lanka are English and Sinhalese. Answer, false. Match the following. Option A and B. Coalition government. Each organ of the government can checks the other's. Civil war. Government of more than 2 political parties. Option C. Check and balance. Power may also be shared among different social groups. D. Community government. A violent conflict between opposing groups. Next question. In which continent is Belgium? Answer, Europe. Next question. Name the countries with which Belgium share its boundaries. Answer, Belgium share its boundaries with France, Netherlands, Germany and Luxembourg. Next question. Where does the majority of the population of Belgium live? Answer, the majority of the population of Belgium lives in the Flemish region. Next question. Which 2 languages are generally spoken in Belgium? Answer, French and Dutch are the 2 languages spoken in Belgium. Next question. Which language is spoken by the majority of the population in Brussels, the capital city of Belgium? Answer: French language. Next question. Mention the minority community that was relatively rich and powerful in Belgium. Answer: French community. Next question. Which social group constituted the large share in the population of Sri Lanka? Answer: Sinhala speakers. Next question. Name the two subgroups of Tamils in Sri Lanka. Answer: Sri Lankan Tamils and Indian Tamils. Next question. After independence, Sri Lanka witnessed the supremacy of which community? Answer: in Sri Lanka, the policies of the government under the Act of 1956 sought to ensure the dominance of Sinhala speaking. Next question. What is the official religion of Sri Lanka? Answer: Buddhism is the religion of Sri Lanka. Next question. Which factors are responsible for increasing the feeling of alienation among Sri Lankan Tamils? Answer: Sinhala was recognized as the only official language in Sri Lanka, and the government formulated a policy that favored Sinhala applicants for university and government jobs. Next question. What was Tamil Elim? Answer: it was to be an independent state as demanded by Sri Lankan Tamils. Next question. How many times did Belgium amend its constitution regarding power sharing? Answer: Belgium amended its constitution 4 times between 1970 and 1993. Next question. Name the third level government of Belgium. Answer: community government. Next question. Differentiate between community government in Belgium and majoritarian government in Sri Lanka. Answer: in Belgium, all the benefits of economic development and education were given to Dutch speaking communities as well as French minority communities, while in Sri Lanka, the government adopted a series of majoritarian measures to establish Sinhala supremacy on Tamil. Next question. Which city was chosen as the headquarters of the European Union? Answer: Brussels. Next question. What is power sharing? Answer: power sharing means sharing of responsibilities and powers by the different organs of the government. Next question. Why is power sharing essential for democracy? Answer: power sharing helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. Next question. What is the difference between prudential and moral reason for power sharing? Answer: prudential reason. Power sharing in democracy reduces the possibility of conflict between different social groups. Moral reason. In a democracy, citizens have the right to be consulted on how they are to be governed. Next question. What is separation of power? Answer: the separation of power is power sharing among the different organs of government with their specific jurisdiction. Next question. The system of check and balance comes under which form of power sharing? Answer: horizontal distribution of power sharing arrangement is known as a system of check and balance. Next question. In which form of power sharing power is shared at the different levels of government? Answer: power is shared at different levels of government in vertical form of power sharing. Next question. What does the federal division of power imply? Answer: the term federal division implies power sharing at different levels of government. Next question. The community government in Belgium is a good example of which form of power sharing? Answer: social group sharing. Next question. What is the proportion of Tamils in Sri Lanka's total population? Answer: the proportion of Tamils in Sri Lanka is 18%, out of which Sri Lankan Tamils constitute 13% of the population and Indian Tamil constitute 5% of the population. Next question. What do you mean by check and balance? Answer: checks and balance is a system in which each organ of the government keeps a check on the others, which results in a balance of power among various institutions. It ensures that none of the organ can exercise unlimited powers. Next question. Define coalition government. Answer. The coalition government implies a government of two or more parties. When the alliance of two or more parties gets elected and forms a government, it is known as the coalition government. This is another form of power sharing. Next question. The system of Panchayati Raj involves option A, the village, block and district level, option B, the village and the state level, option C, the village, district and state level, option D, the village, state and union level. Correct answer is the village, block and district level. Next question. In case of a clash between the laws made by the center and a state on a subject in the concurrent list, the state option A, the state law prevails, option B, the central law prevails, option C, both the laws prevails within their respective jurisdictions, option D, the Supreme Court has to intervene to decide. Correct answer is the central law prevails. Next question. Which of the following subjects is not included in the state list? Option A, law and order, option B, national defense, option C, education, option D, agriculture. Correct answer is national defense. Next question. In India's federal system, the state governments have the power to legislate on all those subjects which are included in the option A, union list, option B, state list, option C, concurrent list, option D, residuary subjects. Correct answer is state list. Next question. The Constitution of India, option A, divided powers between center and states in 3 lists. Option B, divided powers between center and states in 2 lists. Option C, listed the powers of the states and left the undefined powers of the state. Option D, specified the powers of the state and left the residuary powers with the center. The correct answer is divided powers between center and state in the 3 list. Next question. Which of the following governments has 2 or more levels? Option A, community government, option B, coalition government, option C, federal government, option D, unitary government. Correct answer is federal government. Next question. Which of the following countries is an example of coming together federation? Option A, USA, option B, India, option C, Spain, option D, Belgium. Correct answer is USA. Next question. Here are 3 reactions to the language policy followed in India. Which of the following holds true in the case of India? Option A, the policy of accommodation has strengthened national unity. Option B, language based states have divided us by making everyone conscious of their language. Option C, the language policy has only helped to consolidate the dominance of English over all other languages. Correct answer is the policy of accommodation has strengthened national unity. Next question. Consider the following statements on the practice of federalism in India. Identify those which hold true for decentralization after 1992. A, local governments did not have any power or resources for their own. B, it becomes constitutionally mandatory to hold regular elections to local government bodies. C, the state governments are required to share some powers and revenue with local government bodies. D, no seats are reserved in the elected bodies for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes. Option A, B and C. Option B, A and C. Option C, A and D. Option D, A, B and D. Correct answer is B and C. Next question. In a holding together federation, option a large country divides its power between constituent states and national government. B, the central government tends to be more powerful vis-a-vis the states. C, all the constituent states usually have equal powers. D, constituent states have unequal powers. Which of the above statements are correct? Option A, B, C and D. Option B, A and D. Option C, B and C. Option D, A, B and D. Correct answer is A, B and D. Next question. Which among the following are examples of coming together federation? Option A, India, Spain and Belgium. Option B, India, USA and Spain. Option C, USA, Switzerland and Australia. Option D, Belgium and Sri Lanka. Correct answer is USA, Switzerland and Australia. Next question. The union list includes subjects such as option A, education, forest, trade unions, marriage, adoption and succession. Option B, police, trade, commerce, agriculture and irrigation. Option C, residuary subjects like computer software. Option D, defense, foreign affairs, banking, currency and communication. Correct answer is defense, foreign affairs, banking, currency and communication. Next question. The system of Panchayati Raj involves option A, village, state and union level. Option B, village, district and state level. Option C, village and state levels. Option D, village, block and district level. Correct answer is village, block and district level. Next question. Match the following column A and B. Union territory, decision making body for the entire village, local self, an alliance of more than government two parties, coalition, representatives government body at the district level, Zilla Parishad, area which is run by the union central government. Option A second, B third, C fourth and D first. Option B, A fourth, B first, C third and D second. Option C, A fourth, B first, C second and D third. Option D, A fourth, B third, C second and D first. इसका सही आंसर है A fourth, B first, C second and D third. अगला प्रश्न. The system of government in which there is only one level of government is known as answer unitary government. अगला प्रश्न. Banking and defense are the subjects of answer union list. अगला प्रश्न. In 1947, the boundaries of several old states were changed on the basis of answer language. The highest institution of Panchayati Raj in rural areas is Uttar Zilla Parishad. अगला प्रश्न. The chairperson of the municipal corporation is known as dash mayor. Next question. Local self-government exists only in urban areas. False. The popular name of the rural government is Panchayati Raj. True. The chairperson of the municipal corporation is known as the Sarpanch. False. Next question. Union territories are the areas run by both the union and the state government. False. Match the following column A and B. National defense, rural areas, education, district, local self-government, urban areas, municipal corporation, state list, जिला परिषद, union list. इसका आंसर आपको खुद देखना है, यानी खुद लिखना है. Next question. Name the government having two or more level of the government. Answer. Federal government has two or more level of the government. अगला प्रश्न. Define jurisdiction. Answer. It is an area of functioning over which someone has legal authority to perform. Next question. What are the two main objectives of a federal system? Answer. To safeguard and promote unity of the country, to accommodate regional diversity. अगला प्रश्न. What does coming together involve? Answer. The coming together involves independent states coming together on hold own to form a bigger unit where the constituent states have equal power. Next question. What is meant by holding together federation? Answer. It is a federation in which a large country decides to divide its power between the constituent states and the central government. The central government tends to be more powerful. Next question. Name the countries having coming together federation and holding together federation. Answer. Countries having coming together federation are USA, Switzerland, Australia. Countries having holding together federation are India, Spain and Belgium. अगला प्रश्न. What does the third tier of federation include? Answer. It includes local body governments like panchayat at village level and municipalities in town and cities. अगला प्रश्न, define union list. उत्तर, it includes subjects of national importance such as defense, foreign affairs, banking, communication, etc. The union government alone can make laws relating to the subjects mentioned in this list. अगला प्रश्न, why have these subjects like defense, foreign affairs, banking, etc. have included in the union list? Answer. These subjects are of national importance and require a uniform policy for execution. Next question. Define state list. Answer. It contains subjects of state and local importance such as police, trade, commerce, etc. The state government alone can make law relating to these subjects mentioned in this list. Next question. Define concurrent list. Answer. It includes subjects of common interest to both the union government as well as the state government, such as education, forest, trade unions, etc. Both the union and as well as the state governments can make laws on these subjects. Next question. What are residuary powers? Answer. Residuary powers mean that the parliament has the right to make laws with respect to the matters that are not mentioned in any of the list, union list, state list and concurrent list. Next question. In India's federal system, which level of government has the power to legislate on residuary subjects, or which level of government in India legislate on the residuary subjects? Answer. Union government. Next question. What are union territories? Answer. The areas that are too small to be made an independent state and are so diverse that could not be merged with any of the existing states are called union territories. Next question. Name any two union territories of India. Answer. Chandigarh and Puducherry. Next question. How can the fundamental provisions of the Indian Constitution be changed? Answer. The fundamental provisions of the Indian Constitution can be changed in a bilateral way wherein the consent of both the levels of government is required. Next question. What is the role of the judiciary in a federal government? Answer. The judiciary plays an important role in overseeing the implementation of the constitutional provisions and procedures. Next question. What ideals are shared through democratic politics in India? Answer. The spirit of federalism, respect for diversity and desire for living together. Next question. Why were the boundaries of several old states of India changed? Answer. The boundaries of several old states of India were changed to ensure that people speaking the same languages lived in the same state. Next question. What are the two main bases on which new states of India have been created? Answer. Language and regional ethnicity. Next question. What has been the experience of creation of linguistic states? Answer. The experience of creation of linguistic states has proved that India has become more united. Next question. What is a coalition government? Answer. A government by the coming together of two or more political parties is called a coalition government. Next question. Which judgment of the Supreme Court made Indian federal power sharing more effective? Answer. The Supreme Court declared that the central government cannot dismiss the state government in an arbitrary manner. Next question. What does the concept of decentralization signifies? Answer. The concept of decentralization signifies power taken away from central and state government and given to the local government at both the urban and rural levels. Next question. What was the basic idea behind decentralization? Answer. Problems and issues can be best settled at the local level as people know better about their problems and can manage them at their initial levels. Next question. For whom seats are reserved in the local government bodies? Answer. Seats are reserved for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes. One third of all positions are reserved for women. Next question. What is a Gram Panchayat? Answer. It is a council consisting of several ward members, often called Panch, and a president or Sarpanch. It is the decision making body for the entire village. Next question. How are the members of a panchayat elected? Answer. They are directly elected by all the adult population living in that ward or village. Next question. What is Panchayat Samiti? Answer. They are directly elected by all the adult population living in that ward or village. Next question. What constitutes the Jila Parishad? Answer. All Panchayat Samitis and Mandals in our district together constitute the Jila Parishad. Next question. Who are the political heads of the municipality and Gram Panchayat? Answer. Mayor and Sarpanch are the political heads of the municipality and Gram Panchayat respectively. Next question. Which government is responsible for the entire country? Answer. The central government is responsible for the entire country. It is also called the union government. Next question. Name the lowest level of government in rural areas. Answer. Gram Panchayat is the lowest level of government in rural areas. Next question. What is decentralization of power? Answer. Decentralization of power means taking away some power from the central and state governments and giving them to local governments. It simply means sharing of power at different levels of government to ensure balance in power. Next question. Why did some leaders fear when the demand for formation of states on language was raised? What was the outcome? Answer. When the demand for the formation of the states on the basis of language was raised, some national leaders feared that it would lead to the disintegration of the country. That is why the central government resisted the linguistic states for some time. The creation of linguistic states was the first and major test for democratic politics in our country. In 1947, the boundaries of several old states of India were changed in order to create new states, and this was done to ensure that people who spoke the language lived in the same state. But the experience was shown that the formation of linguistic state was actually made the country more united. It has also made the administration easier. Next question. Describe the functions of a village panchayat. Answer. A village panchayat, also known as the Gram Panchayat, is the first tier in the Panchayati Raj. It is constituted for one village or group of villages. It is a decision-making body for the entire village. It has to meet at least twice in a year to approve the annual budget. They are responsible for day-to-day activities of the village level. The Gram Sabha works as a watchdog of the Gram Panchayat, which is its executive body. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. When European countries came together to form the European Union, EU, Brussels was chosen as the headquarters. Number 2. The horizontal distribution of power is called a system of check and balance. Number 3. The religion followed by Sinhala speaking people in Sri Lanka is Buddhism. 4. Federal division of power means power to be shared among the government at different levels. 5. In Belgium, leaders realized that unity of the country is possible by respecting the interests of different communities. Number 6. In the 1956 year, an act was passed to recognize Sinhala as the official language. Next, number 7. The union government alone can make laws relating to the subjects mentioned in the union list. Number 8. The union government has the power to legislate on residuary subjects, which do not fall in any of the three lists. Number 9. The judiciary plays an important role in overseeing the implementation of constitutional provision and procedures. Number 10. If there is a conflict in the laws made in the concurrent list, the law made by the union government will prevail. Number 11. A third tier of government is called local government. Number 12. When power is taken away from central and state governments and given to the local government, it is called decentralization. Number 13. Panchayats are the local governing bodies in the village and municipalities in urban areas. Number 14. The political head of a municipal corporation is called the mayor. Assertion and reason. Direction. Mark the option which is most suitable. Option A. If both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. B. If both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. C. If the assertion is true but the reason is false. D. If both assertion and reason are false. Number 1. Assertion. Tyranny of majority is highly desirable. Reason. It helps in making the political order more stable. Option A. If both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option B. If both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. C. If the assertion is true but the reason is false. D. If assertion and reason are false. Answer. Both assertion and reason are false. Number 2. Assertion. In Belgium, the leaders realized that the unity of the country is possible by respecting the feeling and interest of different countries. Reason. Belgium favored Dutch-speaking community. Answer. Both assertion and reason are false. Number 3. Assertion. The French-speaking community in Belgium was rich and powerful. Reason. Belgium government favored French-speaking community. Answer. Assertion is true but reason is false. Fourth. Assertion. In a democracy, everyone has a voice in the shaping of public policies. Reason. India is a federal system. Answer. Both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Number 5. Assertion. Power should reside with one person and group located at one place in a democracy. Reason. If the power is dispersed, it will not be possible to take decisions quickly and enforce it. Answer. Both assertion and reason are false. Number 6. Assertion. Belgium and Sri Lanka both faced ethnical tension among different communities. Reason. Both the countries resolved the conflict by power sharing arrangement which gave equal representation to all the communities. Answer. Assertion is true but reason is false. Number 7. Assertion. There was a feeling of alienation among Sri Lankan Tamils. Reason. The Sri Lankan government denied them equal political rights and discriminated against them in getting jobs and other opportunities. Answer. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Number 8. Assertion. Community government in Belgium is elected by the one language community. Reason. Community government helped in resolving conflict between different linguistic groups. Answer. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. 9. Assertion. Sinhala was recognized as the only official language of Sri Lanka. Reason. The government of Sri Lanka wanted to establish the supremacy of Sinhala community. Answer. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Number 10. Assertion. Power sharing is good. Reason. It leads to ethical tension. Answer. Assertion is true but reason is false. 11. Assertion. Belgium and Spain have holding together federation. Reason. A big country divides power between constituent states and the national government. Answer. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. 12. Assertion. Hindi is identified as the only official language of India. Reason, it helped in creating supremacy of Hindi speaking people over others. Answer, assertion is true but reason is false. 13. Assertion, it is very simple to make the changes in the basic structure of the constitution. Reason, both the houses have power to amend the constitution independently. Answer, both assertion and reason are false. 14. Assertion, India is a federation. Reason, power resides with the central authority. Answer, both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Next, 15. Assertion, coalition government is formed during the dearth of the coal in the country. Reason, it helps in overcoming the coal crisis. Answer, both assertion and reason are false. 16. Assertion, the subjects which are not included in union list, state list and concurrent list are considered as residuary subjects. Reason, the subjects included that came after constitution was made and thus could not be classified. Answer, both assertion and reason are true. Assertion is the correct and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. 17. Assertion, India has a federal system. Reason, under a variety system, either there is only one level of government or the sub-units are subordinate to the central government. Answer, both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. 18. Assertion, Jilla Panchayat chairperson is the political head of the Jilla Parishad. Reason, the mayor is the head of the municipalities. Answer, both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. 19. Assertion, a major step toward decentralization was taken in 1992 by amending the constitution. Reason, constitution was amended to make the third tier of democracy more powerful and effective. Answer, both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. 20. Assertion, third tier of government is local government. Reason, it made democracy weak. Answer, assertion is true but reason is false. इसी के साथ हमारा ये वीडियो कंप्लीट होता है. आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं. आशा करता हूँ कि ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण रहेगा, आपको टर्म 1 एग्ज़ाम में बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल रहेगा, बहुत ही मदद करेगा. हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं कि आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा. साथ ही चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना, वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना ना भूलें. धन्यवाद.